Hey guys, welcome to my first tutorial. So as you know that I teach you all smooth zoom in, zoom out. So let's continue. Want this? Add your PNGs like me. Now add NULLS dot for each clip like me. Now duplicate NULLS dot and add for each clip. Now our setting up NULLs dot is completed, so follow my dot steps. Zoom in and zoom out dot on the clip you like. Now link the PNG to nulls like me. Do zoom in and zoom out on nulls so it will be way smooth. Now our most hard part dot is done, so we will move on. Graphs, you can copy mine dot or make a one yourself. Now copy the graphs and dot put it in every zoom, in and out. Don't forget to put in where dot you move your PN. Now add effects copy. How did I use the effects? Add motion blur. I oscillate.
Angle 90 degree dot frequency 1, 25 dot magnitude 24.
Add tiles. Now I swing. Use the settings I have showed dot in the vid. Now copy and paste in every effects section. Expect out the intro. That was for the video. I tried to make the vid short as possible. It's my first tutorial, so recommend. What should I make next? Leave the questions in the comment box. I will answer them. So see ya. Have a good day. Mention me when you make an edit by using my tutorial. Bye.